In the beginning, when the telephones were discovered, I had only seen in a movie, very old movie, that they used to have two different pieces for listening and then for speaking. So they had to carry two pieces. Then there was improvement, then only in one, so you could hold that phone. Then that phone was only stationary at one place. Then there came a cordless phone. Then there came a car phone also. So as you are driving also you could. Then came this cell phone. The cell phone. You could carry it anywhere. Slowly in that cell phone, it became camera also. You could take photo. Most dangerous. Because what you are doing, where, and who clicks from where, we just don't know. So that camera also came. Then afterwards, now what has come, a BlackBerry. And in that, all fax and emails and picture, telephone, and everything you can do. And sometimes some people come and tell, in this phone such and such feature is there. If I ask, show it to me, he says that I don't know how to work out. But they have got many. Then came iPod and now iPad also. But what I want to tell you, that in one simple instrument, all features, everything is only you have to carry that. And so a busy CEO or a proprietor of a company, his whole office is nothing but one simple instrument called BlackBerry. I don't know, after some time there will be a Blueberry, I don't know. But something will come up, all in one. You get surprised, isn't it? I tell you, Ramayana is all in one. When you want to see, in political language, it's called slogan. So every political party, particular election time and all that, they must have a slogan. Something to hold on. Then you just go ahead with that mantra. One man went for his job interview. So the interviewer asked him, you applied for a job in our company. Do you know what is the motto of our company? That is mantra. Huh? That is motto of our company. He said, push. They say, how? From where did you get the idea that our motto is push? He said, that was written on the door when I came here. And I tell you, so many people have got that only mantra in life, because they say we have to push only, otherwise nothing happens. Unless you push yourself, nothing happens. Everybody will push you aside then only. You have to be pushy. So, mantra. With that mantra, you do karma. Do I always speak truth? Now and then, whenever convenient. One man said to other man, you know, recently I made millions. That man said, honest? He said, let us not get into details. Man of valor means who can face challenges of life. That is called valor. Not that all the time you have to go to a battlefield So many challenges coming. Suddenly person comes to know he has got cancer. How do you face that information also? And sometimes some doctors also tell you the very strange way. One doctor told the other man, he phoned to him, he said, I have got one bad news and other is worse news to give to you. He says, bad news and worse news? You say, what is the bad news? Bad news, you have got only 24 hours to live. Your situation is so bad. So you say, what can be worse than that? He said, I forgot to tell you this yesterday. Now, you say, you must have heard from childhood, they're very famous sayings are there. They say, when money is lost, you know that, then nothing is lost. When time is lost, something is lost. But when character is lost, then everything is lost. They say he has no character at all. Or they say he's a character, I tell you. Not he has character, he is a character. My favorite joke. One lady said, my husband is temperamental. 50% temper, 50% mental. One man said, my boss, he never loses his temper. Temper, not temple. My boss never loses his temper. It always stays there. So Mandavi and Sutakirti. So they say, you have two daughters, we have got two sons. So why not have that also? So then Bharata married to Mandavi and Shatrughna married Sutakirti, right? You see, when I read this story, then only I came to know why all people want to attend weddings. Because I was always wondering, the one who was getting married, whether you go there or not, their wedding is going to take place or not. Oh, then I learned so many other people go, they don't go for that wedding. They go to fix other weddings, there's son, daughter, this, that. And sometimes it happens, the one marriage is taking place, but something else also get fixed. But the tradition started from Ramayana only. My favorite joke. Father asked the son, let us sit down, we'll discuss about life. He said, okay, what do you want to know? So the son tells, fourth, that is the third stage of our life, student life, household life, then retired, and then sannyas. These are the four stages. In student life, you learn. In grahasthashram, you earn. And in Vahanprastha, you turn. And sannyas, no return. Now, second, this whole our life in samsara is like forest only. Because every moment we get just confused and deluded. And we don't know where to go. And sometimes we think by our own intelligence we will find out. Because some people feel it is below their dignity to ask. I'll figure it out. Figure it out. I'm already getting lost. Why don't you ask? No, I don't want to ask. And the wife goes on telling him, I think you are driving. I don't know where are you going. Why don't you ask? No. And finally he reached at a point, nobody was there also. Three roads, one here, and he doesn't know where to go. He saw finally one man sitting under a tree. He went there. He asked him, where does the straight road go? I don't know. Where the right road goes? No idea. Where does the left road go? I never inquired. No, this man got so angry with him and said, you are such a fool. He said, maybe, but I am not lost. These are very intelligent people. That's how they get lost. Husband is God. Pati Parameshwar. The moment, not only now, in the olden days also, but even now also the women say, Parameshwar. And my husband. ठीक है. To you see, the children are told, students are Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo, means your mother is God, your father is God, your teacher is God. Right? You treat them, look upon them. Atithi Devo Bhava, when a guest comes, that guest also is God. So up to that we don't have much problem. That is all right. But when women are told Pati Parameshwar, so थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है और sometimes we feel all our relatives and friends and all of them, they will come to our help and all that. But the moment the relatives find you are in trouble, they say namaste. That's why they are called relatives and not absolutes. They are relative only, some relative standpoint.